With the recent update of Canva, you can easily generate AI images with Canva AI Image Generator. All the images that are showing in my screen, all the images are generated by Canva AI Image Generator. I will let you know how you can generate these kind of images with the help of Canva AI Images Generator or text to Canva images or text to image generator in Canva. I will give you a complete step-by-step help, and now you can easily generate this kind of. Now we go to the steps. First of all, you need to log into your Canva account. Now I have recently logged in, and after login you just need to go to here in the apps, and here you can see these are apps. So now click on apps. After clicking on apps, you can see in the trending apps, you can see there are a lot of apps are trending, but these apps trending according to recent activities. So search here text to image, and when you will search text to image, there is an application text to image generator, and just click here, and just you can use in existing design or use in the new design. So it depends upon you want to use an existing design or new design. So just click here new design, and I will say any design. I mean, if you want to create a business card, AI business card, or portrait, or any newsletter, label, calendar, it depends upon you what do you want to do. And now if I go here, and now you can see there are a lot of things that you can select or do, but I will just say custom design, and just I will say 500 by 500. This is just my requirement, so I'll just click on create design. Now after clicking on create design, now you can see there is a prompt. Now I can give the prompt, and I will say an art of a horse. Okay, so here you can see you can just select a style. For example, I'm not going to select a style, or if I want to select a style, I can select a style. So here I will select a style and just click on create image. Now you can see I have a beautiful horse. You can see these are some horse, and you can see this is very beautiful art of horse, and I can easily navigate into my designs, and this is very beautiful art. So if I just click here racing cars or start over, I just click on start over, and I will say racing cars, and here I will just select a style. So for example, I will select this style and just click on create your design, and for a while it will generate images for us. Here you can see it have generated new racing cars, and here you can see this is our racing car, and so on. So I hope you understand how you can generate an awesome images with Canva AI Images Generator. So if you want to save this design or download this, so just name it. I mean, I will say it racing cars designs, and I will just name it and just click on download. It will be downloaded. Just click on file and just click on download, and now you can download all the AI images that we have generated with these prompts. Now I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button, and comment below if you have any confusion or any next help you need. Thank you.